the moment ngicabanga ukuthi you slept with another guy, yazi top enhliziyo yamjita.
Like sometimes Lunga, it has nothing to do with emotions. Like I'm gonna talk about, there was a time when I was angry at men, in a sense that when umandenze something now ungangifonela kusasa ungitshela bo I miss you, bengifuna ukuchama and ngigrain ungangifoneli. Did I have emotions towards that? No, but I knew that I needed a good calm.
Sometimes as a lady unokubaya with a man inside you, that man is a powerful man.
Okay.
That those things let's show they can be done by the man only.
Yes.
Thina siyamajisa noma wena ngakuthatha ngakubeka endlini ngancanyo akwazi ukuthi ngancanyo omunye umuntu ngizoya ngihlabe nakusasa ngahlukana na I don't care, but I don't want anything to come into you. So now the moment ulala nenye out, yabona yiye enkulu leyo, the moment ulala nenye out, you take away some dignity. All what we care about, mamela, all that we care about is dignity yethu. Understand? Because now ngenzeke lokushini bangakhulumi next ekasi futhi abantu bayathula, abantu fire bamlanda imedi yakho bamlanda imedi yakho every day espanning mamlanda akunamuntu ozokutshela.
But even pinches zakho.
Yes, I never bathula bathi tu bamlanda sinini ngwi-night azi dayimana azogidla kwakho akekho umuntu ozokutshela ejaridini. But the moment enihlukana, that's when people will come say lo mntana vele bengekho grand for wena, but mina can become a true friend. Nazokutshela.
Mara, the question is when you do it, because now this is the part I hate, that everything it's so favoring man, man.
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Do you believe ukuthi uthando it is only balanced by a man? If a man can love you and say mina nyamthanda lo mntwana, nothing will happen. You won't even break up. I agree with you.
I believe that a relationship is driven by a man the moment he makes a decision that they want to be with you.
Yes.
I agree totally. No matter how much I can love you, if angeke isebenze relationship, I agree. Like up until an extent, it boils back. Now, if I don't want this relationship to work, it would never work.
No. But it is better if it is you.
Yes, nebhayibheli kaloku yatsho kodwa mithi umsebenzi wendoda ukuthanda umfazi wayo. Ze umfazi athobele indoda. Akukho apha eBhayibhelini ithi umfazi fanele athande indoda. Tina we don't have to love you guys. We just have to respect you. We have to serve you. We have to you have to love me and protect me.
That's what we reflect as love, good. Whenever you are submissive and then respecting. And then, do you know, that's what changed the man. Mangabe you love me and respect me. Mangibuye ebusuku 12 since ngiphumile mangena. Now kutya kwakho inozodla and then one day, even if you are calm and say, or that night and say, I don't like this. I don't sleep when you're not around. I become worried until mawuzofika ngoma 12. Please don't do this. Understand? There's a thing called so polite kanjani. Automatically it's a must. Ultimate nganya change. Thanda ungathandi. Like ihlali kudla lento le noma uhleli namajidi ukuthi lo mntana lo last bo akhala and politely so. And then it brings ingqondo zokuthi what if lo mntana lo angangishiya and find a guy who's different than
me. Yes. Yinto enibulalayo nina. When you know very well that I treat you right, you become scared and jealous ukuthi yo indlela ngiphatha ngayo ngifuna phatha omunye umuntu.
Indlela yokuchintsha ke leyo.
How many kids do you have?
Hey, 5.
Excuse me, I need a moment.
1 boy and 4 girls.
Unabantwana abangabi?
5.
Mama babo bangabi?
4. And then unfortunately I'm not dating anyone of a baby mama yam.
Boy 4.
I was always asking myself ukuthi why at least ngoba unginikeza ama option ukuthi ntwana choose.
And then abantwana bakhe iminyaka bingabi?
Abayi 3.
Abonyaka oyi1?
Yeah, bashiyana ngama 3 months.
Ushaya amachera ayi3 ngonyaka oyi1 wabamithisa?
Out cherry out ne cherry.
Thenjwa khona eminyakeni oyi1 thola abantwana
abayi3. Yeah.
And then aba bayi2 baphuma kumama oyi1.
Lately, yeah, abayi2 baphuma kumama oyi1 and then kuna 3.
So ama firstborn abo mama oyi1 aba bayi2.
Bonke abo baby mama firstborn wabo. Kubo abo.
No, what I'm saying kuwe. andithi komnye unabantwana abayi-2 kwabanye una-111.
Okay, i-first born yam unomamakhe.
Okay.
I-second born unomamakhe.
Okay.
I-third ne-fourth banomamabo.
Okay.
And then the last one unomama.
Do you want more kids?
Ngifuna ukuyovala.
Yeah. Please.
Grand.
You know about that thing, ne?
Yeah,
vasectomy.
but you know, sometimes.
And then what will happen if you get married and then the person you're going to marry, they want kids? If funuvala.
Problem. That is why in life, even if when you get fat, don't be against it. Don't be against your happiness. If you are blessed to be this kind of a person and have this group of yours, you will.
Take me to a journey of being a parent. The first time you find out ukuthi uzoba ngutata, first time.
Angaze ngazisebenzele life ini. Ngiqeda isikole nginabantwana. I had to wish ukuthi become a serious dancer.
So uqhubeke isikole sewunabantwana?
Yes, abayi-2 in 2 parents bashiyana nga-3 months. I was supporting ngithenga ama-pampers 100 share phakathi 50-50 ngihambise. So I had a vision yokuba a choreographer. Bengine-matric.
Usadansa now?
That devil gone. That devil is gone. I'm I don't know how it happened.
Yeah.
I just realized later that I was serving Satan.
Maria kumula na benginokuzilanda.
Ngibuya kujika majika guys, I won. I cried when I saw myself on TV dancing. I hit my child I was born.
Yes.
But I was like, wow, I can dance like this. I cried. My father, everyone was like, and at that time it coincidental bengilahlekele phone. Ngathola enye phone. That Friday, mangiqeda ukuhlamba ngithi ngibukele jika majika. Mangithi hla yimilo.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Azange kwaphela even.
Bayenzelephi that time? Ekaghizo.
It's a Joburg.
Yeah. So wasuka for eJozi.
Yeah, ngayeJozi the whole day and then sapusha ngathi.
Wawina malini khona?
5,000.
Serious waiting.
Ifike later ngoba since ngimele December afika January.
It's fine. Call kube wayibhubhudla wayithini ke ngulo mali.
I enjoyed myself. Scooper and then
so lento yokuthi uwini level bebenika shame imali yeni bengiciba bayarobha
bayo. Basikaya shame. Basikaka mnandi nje. And then even at school I was so powerful in dancing. There was a day where ngamosha khona. I was like, wow. Yabona dancing that yabona lela ngilosi leliya. Belintswempe because of when I was dancing, I was not dancing for anything. I was dancing out of love.
Yeah.
I loved dancing. It was in my heart. Mangijive I was making sure now mohle lapha.
You becoming teary.
Yes, but I was used even for that. Amajita ngiphila nawo. I be like mntwana kuyajive yizwakala. Baba ipiya ba ngijive ngithope bathola amantombazana.